Dear students, about the preamble of Constitution of India, we all are aware that how to consider preamble of Constitution of India when we have to go through the provisions of Constitution of India. We have different versions, different ideologies and different interpretations when we have to go through the provisions. But very important thing is that how to understand this preamble so that we can easily understand other provisions of the message of the Constitution of India given to us by the framers of the Constitution of India. If we go through the opening lines of Constitution of India, we will find that we the people by the people, that the meaning is clear, that Constitution of India is a kind of commitment by all of us, and we should obey the provisions in the light of preamble, no doubt. But we found that when we have to consider this aspect, few things come out in the light of equality, in the light of equality clause, in the light of secularism, in the light of socialism, and sometimes there is a confusion that when we consider all of them, how to go for welfare state. When we framed this constitution earlier, our motto was, our objective was to provide society might be on the basis of egalitarian view, how to frame classless society or how to achieve this equality clause. This was the basic problem at that time. And the another objective was at that time to give welfare state, and fortunately, or you may say unfortunately, welfare state is not defined, is not provided in precise words, or as a matter of policy we could not provide the exact meaning of welfare state, but we can easily gather the meaning of welfare state in the light of equality clause, in the light of equal opportunity, in the light of equal distribution of resources among the citizens of India. So we tried our best, our forefathers tried our best who framed this constitution to give us welfare state, and in the last 70 years to some extent we achieved this part, equal opportunity to all of us, say in the name of reservation, in the name of equal opportunity, in the name of distribution of resources, economic, which one is economic one. And we are very far away now from feudalism, because feudalism has created a lot of problems for us to achieve this part. Welfare state we achieved, no doubt, but when we achieved welfare state, another things come out, that how to achieve modern welfare state. Modern welfare state, modern state, we have different parameters, but collectively when we go for welfare state, so you may say welfare state we achieved with the help of modern welfare state, or you may say with the help of democratic setup, because we adopted, we committed to our Constitution of India, we the people of India gave a pledge that we will follow the Constitution of India, preamble of Constitution of India. If we go through the verdict of Honorable Supreme Court of India in Keshwan Bharti case, categorically observed that preamble is the part of Constitution of India. Without preamble, we are not able to understand the basic provision of Constitution of India, which are there to provide us equality clause, equal protection of law, freedoms, liberties. You will find that preamble now becomes a basic part, and on the edifice of preamble, basic structure of Constitution of India is based. And further we go for with preamble of Constitution of India, as I said, for welfare state we achieved, and we are striving to achieve welfare state. Now come for second part in my next lecture.